Hi, we're the HBP Group and we specialise in helping businesses implement and install new IT systems. So if you're currently in the market for a new IT system and you're wondering where to go, one of the best places you can start is by looking at our free IT review. What this will do is will enable us to have a look at your existing IT network as it is right now, both from a technical point of view and from a pain and issue point of view by talking to you. And then make recommendations on what you need to do to achieve your goals, remove your pain, and obviously fix any technical issues that might exist in your network at the moment. It's completely free and it's no obligation. And what we actually do is we provide a visual map of your existing network and a visual map of what your new network could look like. So you can see it, and actually anyone from any understanding of IT then can understand the differences between what you've got now and what you're going to do. So if you're going to start anywhere, start there. But if you'd like to know a little bit more about us, let me tell you a few things about how we work. So from an installations point of view, it's important to point out we have a dedicated team for installations. So we're not stealing resource from some of our other areas, like our support team, for example. We have a dedicated team who do installations day in, day out. So they really know their stuff. They also follow procedures such as Prince2 and Agile, so we use a combination of those two implementation techniques, and all of our procedures and all of our implementations are fully documented. That's helpful for two reasons. One, it's completely visible to you if you want to see what's been going on, but possibly more important, it's documented internally for us. So when there is a handover process from an implementations team to a support team, for example, all of the information, all of the details are stored for us so that process is completely and utterly seamless. Talking of those engineers, they are highly qualified. So we spend a lot of money on training our engineers of bringing them up to the highest levels that they can possibly be. In fact, we're a Microsoft Gold Partner, which is the highest level you can achieve with Microsoft. And all of our engineers have a base level of qualification that gives them the knowledge they need to install virtually any type of network, with specific specialisms in different areas too. Once your installation is complete, we of course have a full support service, but possibly more importantly for you, we will also assign to you a dedicated account manager. Now, all of our IT account managers have a background in IT themselves, whether that's through managing data centers and large networks themselves, from being an IT manager within a business, or through installing systems. What that means is they fully understand that technical side of things themselves, so they can liaise with you, but they can also liaise internally with our installations engineers to make sure that everything goes as you expect it to. They'll then feed back to you on the progress of your projects and report back to you post-project on how your support is performing to make sure that there aren't any issues that we weren't aware of, or anything else that comes up that you need help with, we can address and put right. So if you'd like to find out more about how we work, request our free review, and one of our IT account managers will be in touch to discuss how we can help.